St. Joseph Residential School, Sriperumbudur. Annual report for the academic year 2013-2014. Respected founder of DFT Group of Institution, Most Reverend Father Dr. J. Arulraj. Respected chief guest of this function, Sri Ilamurugu, Assistant Director of Income Tax. Reverend Father P. Ambrose, Vicar General of Chengalpet Diocese. Reverend Sister C. Rita, Superior General of DMI. Reverend Sister Gnanaselvam, Managing Trustee of DFT. Reverend Sister Jahani, Correspondent DFT Group of Schools. Reverend Sister C. Puspa, Superior of this community. Sister Gilda, Administrator. Reverend Sister of DMI and Fathers and Brothers of MMI. Principals and staff members of DMI and MMI Group of Institutions. Parents, friends, past pupils of St. Joseph's. All the teaching and non-teaching staff of St. Joseph Residential School, it is my pleasure to present the annual report of our school for the year 2013-2014 in the academic, administrative, infrastructural, sports and cultural fields of our school. Ours is a Catholic institution founded by Reverend Father Dr. J. Arulraj and run by DMI sisters. Discipline and overall self-development are the basic objectives of this institution, which are realized year after year under the guidance of our chairman, Reverend Father Dr. J. Arulraj, and Director R. Palniandi, IAS retired. Academic activities and achievements. In the All India Secondary School Examination 2013, all the students of Class 10 passed out successfully. Master N. I. Eric topped the Class 10 examination with 10 grade points out of 10 and received merit certificate from CBSE New Delhi. 33 students have secured 10 out of 10 grade points in various subjects and 48 out of 53 students have secured first class. In Class 12, 75 students passed out successfully and Miss Hepzibah secured the first position with 468 out of 500. 3 students scored more than 90 in 4 subjects. 4 students scored 100 out of 100 in physical education. 7 students received merit certificate from CBSE New Delhi. In 66 papers, our students scored more than 90. Exhibitions were organized in science and mathematics. All these exhibitions were aimed at bringing out innovative ideas and scientific spirits among our students. This year we have introduced for the first time in Tamil Nadu Mass Media Studies at Class 11. We also added entrepreneurship as one of the subjects in Class 11. In Class 11 Computer Science, we have opted Python, a new programming language, over a traditional C++. Infrastructure. A new academic block is coming up between the church and swimming pool area. Sports and cultural. The NCC camp was held at JPR Institute of Technology from June 6th to 17th. 24 institutions from Chennai participated in this camp. A wide variety of activities were conducted and our students got overall championship shield and brought glory to the school. On 30th June 2013, our football team emerged victorious and retained the rolling shield for the second consecutive time in the football tournament organized by DAV Group of Schools. The Students' Council for the year 2013-14 was inaugurated on 6 July 2013 by Dr. R. Lawrence Joseph Manogaran, Dean DMI College of Engineering, Palanchur, in the presence of Reverend Sister Jahani, correspondent of DFT Group of Schools. 13 clubs were instituted in that function. All the activities by these clubs were planned to bring out all-round development of the children. House-wise competition and various co-curricular activities were conducted for the students. On 8th August 2013, we conducted the 15th annual sports meet in the school premises. Sri Kannan DSP Kanchipuram was the chief guest and PMJF Lion Dr. T.S. Ramamurthy, immediate past district governor, Lions Club International District 324 A1 was the special guest. Sister Jahani, the correspondent, presided over the annual sports meet. March past, March drill, and various activities were the attraction of the day. The annual sports meet for all the CBSE schools in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry was held at Avadi, and our school under 19 boys team won the championship. 22 of our athletes qualified for the national level meet to be held later this month at Varanasi. Our school girls march past contingent won the best march past contingent among all the CBSE schools in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. At the inauguration day ceremony of the ACWW on 27 September 2013, 90 of our boys were in action with the mega show and welcomed the foreign delegates for a glorious start of the function. They did not stop only entertaining but were playing for the ceremony's flag march at the Chennai Trade Center. On 28 September 2013, 108 students were taken to the Chennai Trade Center for mega cultural show where our children exhibited their dance talents and a bright and colorful Indian panorama showcasing the cultural traditional dress worn by the people of India. On 16th November 2013, the first alumni meet of our school was organized. Some of the old students shared their experiences. Visitors. On 7th August, the Archbishop of Lusaka, Zambia, Most Reverend Telesphore George Mupantu, Dr. Anand, the director of DMA Group of Institution of Foreign Countries, and Sister Silly had visited our school premises. Dr. T.N. Furi MP, the Minister of Education from Republic of Zambia and his team, along with Dr. T.X. Anand, Director International Operations, and Sister Silly visited our school. Our student exhibited some of the Indian cultural dances to the delegates. Educational tour. This year, we have taken our students to an ice cream manufacturing company for the field visit. We have taken more than 200 students from classes 6 to 11 for an educational tour to Ooty. Christmas celebration and Founders Day. Class-wise celebration was held by the students to remember the historic advent of Jesus Christ. Students from classes 1 to 12 celebrated Christmas by presenting carol songs, a value-based skit, and deliver messages encompassing the teaching of Jesus Christ in the morning assembly. A sum of rupees 3,49,175 was contributed towards the South Sudan Children Welfare Fund. All these programs were shown live in our school website. Our founder's birthday falls on 25th December, the Christmas day, which will be celebrated in a gathering of all DFT group of institutions at our school on 21st 12 2013. Thanksgiving. We place all our achievements humbly at the feet of our Lord, and to whose hands we surrender ourselves and keep looking for better ways and means of enhancing the learning process of our students which they can enjoy. I render my gratitude to our founder and chairman, Superior General Director, Correspondent, Superior and Administrator who have been always with us with their guidance, generosity, and prayers. I sincerely thank all the well wishers and parents of our school who stand with us all along. I extend my special thanks to my dedicated team of teaching and non teaching staff. To conclude, I extend my heartfelt thanks to every one of you. Thank you.